Hey guys, what's going on? Today I'm gonna take the heat sink and fan out and replace it with this. So let's give it a look. This is the Chinese. This is gonna be a temporary. Well, the A6 is still going to be temporary until I get the A8 in, but for now, I'm going to go ahead and install this. And it's going to go something like this, which it will fit, looks like. So, I'm going to go ahead and get to work. Okay, so I got my LED fan out, so now it's only a matter of unscrewing these and autofocus sucks. Now after this, I will be right back. I'm gonna cut out for a minute as I need to clean this, so I'll be back. Alright, CPU out, heatsink off. That's worthless, so. And CPU. Just got got some Q-tips and some rubber alcohol, although recommended 90. Only got 70. But it should still be fine. So what I'm going to do is, I would say people would start bitching me out for doing this, but boom. So, it's time to clean the old from the new. So it should be easy. So, but just continue to clean that out until it's dry. I'll be back after I clean the old thermal compound on the CPU. So I dropped the CPU in. I gotta make sure snug. And perfect. So, whoops. Now, normally you shouldn't touch it with that, but always just clean it up like this. Using my toothbrush. And clean it with Q-tip. Get as clean as you can get it. Which is the case, good enough. Now comes the fun part. Thermal compound. Use about the size of a pea, which that should do. My work area is a bit messy, but sorry guys. Now I've seen some people do this. Now that tells me I don't have enough. So now I got enough. Do an even coat all around the CPU. And once you get a nice even coat, now it's a matter of installing the fan. I will still use that to replace this, so I might as well just disconnect it. And now it's time to install this. No things needed. Oh, and before before you put this in, be sure to you remove this. Now it's time to get that out. Okay, and line it up like so. I'll be back. Alright, so now that the new fan is in, now it's time to plug it in. If I can. Be back. Well, the fan is plugged in. Now it's only a matter of transferring this to the rear. Then everything will be complete. And I'm going to go ahead and just do and record. Just for a little bit, me taking this off and putting the new on. You know what? I'll be back. Now that the LED light's installed for the exhaust fan, it's only a matter of hooking it up, get everything connected, and give it a test fire. I'm going to go ahead and hook it up, and I'll be back. Before I even hook it up, I just want to show this real quick. Here's what it looks like with the side casing on. Still got plenty of room. So now it's time to hook it up and test it out. Now if everything's correct. Oops. Forgot. Now, if I did everything right, oh man, listen to how much quieter that is. My God. Listen to that. Well, boom. Everything seems to be working fine. Sorry, I forgot to turn the light off for the camera. But if I connected everything right, everything should be working just fine. And I have an ample amount of thermal compound in it. So I'll be back as I'll be going on the bias. Now I'm on the bias and I cannot connected the fan backwards. But anyway, so APU it's still picking up the APU, and let's check out. Okay, everything's still there. Good. But yeah, there it is. So let's change it to 160 and see if that'll freaking read it just fine. But anyway, I'll be back. Well, sorry if I'm keep on cutting out. I just gotta flip that fan around. I'll be back. Alright, looks like that's it, folks. Thank you for watching me upgrading the cooling system on this for something a bit more reliable. I mean, this is, by the way, this is 95 watt ready. So, in other words, once the 8.8 comes in, then, oh boy, that'd be a good performance upgrade. I went back to using this factory fan for the exhaust, and the LED is now hooked up right here, just for looks. But yeah, cooling performance should be a lot better. Hopefully. Yeah, talk about increased performance right here. Now that the 3 fans, that one would be the noisiest. So let's throw something together real quick. Let's see. Gotta wait for everything to be loaded. So I'll be back once this thing's fully warmed up. Computer's fully warmed up, and now let's see the performance. So last time this thing heats up to pretty good temperatures. Now the perfect game to actually test this out on, because everything gets a very good workout, is my summer car using Rita Statistic Tuner. Crap. Oh, there it is. Yeah, the computer, it's pretty much still warming up. Let's go and delete that. I'll be back again once Steam is not being a pain. Okay, let's see the performance. Now that's the CPU and CPU will be taxed. So far, sticking at 72 degrees, and yeah. Now let's load up the let's load up the game, shall we? This is where the true performance is gonna be at, on how much cooler it would run. Before, it was doing like 99 100 degrees Fahrenheit, and it's idling, and there we go. Now we got temperature rising. My sound card is a perfect candidate for this, and so far, the performance is actually good. So far, from what I'm seeing, it's running about 20 degrees cooler. Now it's at 81. Before, it was spike at 100 degrees Fahrenheit. But this is a performance difference. My God. Let's quit without saving. Yes. Wow, what a difference that made. Go ahead and get this connected to the internet. But yeah, that's actually a big difference in cooling performance. For something that's a 65 watt TDP, in a cooler frame, they say handles can handle up to 95 watt TDP. I'm gonna say that's impressive. That's impressive. I mean, for a Chinese $13 US fans heatsink set up with a cup of copper piping, that's very light. The performance difference is actually great. See, right now max TDP is at 70.2, but it seems it's soaking it in like no tomorrow. But anyway, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching me install this new CPU fan. Talk to you guys later.